trip number 2. We didn't have any luck this morning. I know y'all seen us out buying minnows this morning, but yeah, we were skunked. So we're gonna see if we can catch one fish this evening. Just one.
What's going on, real family? Real life family. As you may know, this morning was a bust. Okay, we back out here again. We got the minnows. Had all our baits. Nothing worked. The only one that caught something was our friend Richard, which you'll see in this next clip.
Y'all fishing buddy, Mr. Richard got something else. Easy. He keep catching these big fish.
24.8.
24 pounds.
Yeah.
But it's round 2. I can't take a skunk. So we out here to do this again. So y'all just hang on and we'll be back.
No. That's my pole. I got frustrated and gave up. Peaceful day. It feels so good out here.
Yes, it does.
We got poles. Y'all see that? 1, 2, 3, 4 over there. Ain't got another one to throw out. But yeah, we got poles for different area codes. Area codes. We got poles. Come on, babe, sing it. We got poles for different area codes. Area codes. I need them bells to ring now. I knew he was gonna sing. Ring my bell. Ring it, ring it, ring it. Ring my bell, eh? Ring my bell. We need some action, Jackson. He got a song for everything. Who is that? You can't sing it if you don't know the artist. Who is that? Who?
EPMD.
EPMD?
Yeah, just like music.
That's how I go. Just like music.
That was Marvin Gaye.
Boo-doo-doo-boo-boo. Well, he wasn't in no EMPD.
EMPD.
He wasn't in
EPMD.
Marvin Gaye was in EPMD.
No! What the heck? I said that he remade it. So what? Just let it go. Let it go.
I told you he got a song for everything. Here, baby, slang that thing. Slang that thing.
Right, I'm going that way with this one.
Okay. Where you going with it? Okay. Good. Okay. Okay, baby. It's a road trip. You know you about that real life. If you done hopped in the car and you about to drive an hour away to get some crappie. Oh yeah, it's real. It's real, dog. And he going to get like 5 dozen. I'm just kidding. We got all the things. You don't need any bobbers or weights this morning? I guess not. All right. Everybody in here with their buckets, they ready to hit the water. Oh, I need water. You want one or you want to share? Okay. Does he have a preference? What y'all like? Y'all like Aquafina? Y'all like Deer Park? or y'all like Fiji? Drop it down in the comments. Which one y'all rock with? So that's what hubby got.
See if it works. That's what that guy, 20 years experience said.
Oh, really? Okay. We're gonna see. Yes, sir. All right, we have arrived and we're getting set up. Travis over there getting baited up. And you got one in the water already? Yeah, got one in the water over there already. I'm about to go ahead and get these poles baited up. And yeah, we'll be back. We'll let y'all in on the action as soon as we get some action.
See, I wake up in the morning, brush my teeth and grab my rod. Like I'm bringing home some fish and we gon' cook them in a pot. I go from lake to lake, I don't be looking at the clock. But if I'm out there too long, then my wife is gon' say stop. This is a real life, yeah. Baby, welcome to the real life, yeah, yeah. This is the real life, yeah. Baby, welcome to the real life, yeah. There's gonna be some days where I don't catch a single fish, but there's gonna be some days where it seems like I don't even miss. I started in the summer, now I can't stop doing this. Bass, catfish, brim, crappie, they is on my list. Every time I catch a fish, it really make my day. It's going on the channel, so I'm gonna have to slay. The sun is going down and it is starting to get late, but I'm getting all these hits and I just really wanna stay. I'm fishing and I do not wanna stop. Every time I see a turtle, that's a knock. If I don't get any hits, then that's alright. I'ma just go and find another spot. See, I wake up in the morning, brush my teeth and grab my rod. Like I'm bringing home some fish and we gon'
Come on, they keep moving, y'all. This pole. Why you playing with us? Do it again. Go ahead and bend again. The bells was ringing. Oh, y'all. Hold on. See it moving? You ready? They keep on stuck. He said, what? His knees ain't like they used to be. Right, them 48-year-old knees. Okay, 47. What? I was a year off.
It's a year off, though.
You need that year, don't you?
I need that year. All the years I can.
Baby, you say them 47. Let me see them 47-year-old knees. Let me see. They don't bend like they used to.
They don't bend no more. They don't bend no more. These 47 knees.
Look, his knees don't bend no more. All they do is this. Hey, all they do is this. Hey, all they do is this.
Heck no.
Oh, Lord. Baby, you got it this time. Please. Yeah. Y'all know how many fish done got. Baby, you sure?
Yeah, I got it.
He said he got
Right
it. He got it. Bring them on in, baby. Bring it on in. Bring it on in. Be careful. Okay. That's what was doing that.
I take them.
Hold on, don't put them back in. Okay. Hey, buddy.
Yeah. Yeah.
What'd you say?
You want to go home? Say less. Told you.
All right, let's run it back.
Yeah, hold up. He digging in.
Be careful. Don't.
Look, look, look.
There must be something big.
Yeah, it is.
You might have to go down low.
Baby, he owned it.
He said, baby, he on there.
I can't.
Oh my goodness. He's waiting on that one. Hopefully this that one. Oh, the other pole moving.
Baby, watch this.
Okay, I think I'm gonna have to. You don't know what to do. I'll put the camera down to help if I need to. Oh, the other pole moving again.
He on this.
To your left.
He on this.
Oh my goodness. Don't break your.
He done here.
Oh my goodness.
Look.
Babe. Oh my goodness. Is it that big?
Look, I'm not moving it. He's shaking it.
Oh my goodness.
Look, watch. Watch it shake. He in there.
How you
I
going
want to let him walk.
Let's go fishing, let's make a day. I got the pole, you got the bait. It's so pretty, I'd sure hate to waste this time. We'll find us a shady little spot, not too cool, not too hot.
Hey, picked up our baby. Now we are in Dallas, North Carolina fishing. We had to get our baby out the house. She wanted to fish too. Hubby took her up the hill for a quick walk, tending to the poles, and both of these been ringing, the bells. Every time I pick up the camera, they stop. Hopefully we'll get something out here. Look at them. Look at that one. Look at that one. Here come Poo Poo. Remy, do you like you did me? Come here, Poo Poo. Remy, come to mommy. Come on, Pooh. See, she won't drag. She won't do you like she... Come show YouTube your pretty face. Let them see how pretty that baby is. Yeah, out. How gorgeous that baby is. Y'all see my pretty girl? She love her daddy. She love her daddy. Are you thirsty? You want some more water? Ooh, it was the middle one. It was the middle one. You want water? You want water, Remy? Okay, let mommy get you some water. Got something. What is it? A little trout. Let me see the trout. Yeah, it's a little trout. Look at the little baby trout. He pretty. Baby, you ain't taking that home. Let him go get bigger.
Yeah, okay. No, that's the size that they are.
Baby, out here.
Yeah.
Throw that back.
I'm going to hold him for a little bit.
Throw that back.
Baby, that's a nice size one.
Throw that back. Y'all tell him to throw it back. Tell him in the comments. Throw it back.
Baby, look how big it is.
I mean, by the time he is skinny.
They are skinny. They don't get big.
Y'all, should he keep it or throw it back? I mean, he gonna do what he want, you know. And by the time we see the comments, he'll be done made his decision. Poo Poo, tell Daddy to throw that fish back. Woody.
That's a trout. That's great.
Remy Bell. Tell Daddy to throw that fish back. Say, Daddy, say throw it back. Say give it an opportunity to grow. Ain't that right, Woody? Tell Daddy. Yeah, you fall in that water if you want to.
Get back.
And you know you don't like to drink that water. Last time you tried to drink some lake water, you threw up instantly. Because she bougie. She only drink spring water. She don't think she's a dog, so she really thinks she's a human. Where you going? Remy.
She's smelling the fish.
Oh, you threw him over there? Look at her.
Yeah.
Oh, you did?
Get out of there.
Remy.
Get your butt out of there. No, I threw him down that hill right there.
Oh, did you? Okay. Oh, okay. Come on, baby.
Come here. Pooh, get over here.
Good girl.
Good girl.
Poo Poo, look at the fish, Mama. Fish. Come. Look, Poo Poo. Why are you so scared? You so scary. Daddy getting the fish, okay? Daddy gonna put the fish back, I think. Look at the fish. Give him a kiss so he can go back. Give him a kiss. Good girl. Yeah. Yeah, good girl. Watch Daddy put the fish back. Come on.
Put the fish back.
Look, Poo Poo. Look at Daddy put the fish back.
Ready?
See, look at it. That's Mommy's baby. Where you going? I'm gonna put you back on a leash. Come on. Come on, Woody. Come on, Woody.